The beauty of doing a historical restoration for us is we get to bring life back to these beautiful old homes that make Lexington and Central Kentucky kind of what it is. For us to be able to get our hands on these buildings and really treat them with a ton of respect and revitalize them really, allows us to make an impact on our community, which is huge for us.
The main intention is to make sure that we're hitting all of those key points and details from the original build and from the original design. That way, those details are continued throughout the home, they're replicated to the most perfect degree, and it maintains the charm and the character of the home throughout the entire house. And even if you're doing an addition, the goal is to make it feel like you can't feel the change from one part of the house to the other.
We get clients that are really driven by the details. They want the new hinges to match the original hinges. They want all the trim to be absolutely dialed in exactly the way it was. So working with those kind of clients is a special treat for us because that's what we do. We like to get into the weeds, to be able to kind of see how those craftsmen of old that we have so much respect for, how did they actually do these details? How did the masons actually build these walls? There's nothing that we enjoy more than that.
One of the most important things is doing the research and the investigation up front to figure out as much as humanly possible about the existing home and the bones that we're going to be dealing with. Having the right team in place is one of the most crucial things to that, because we have to have the people that are willing to go the extra mile to bring in the right professionals with the right knowledge.
A few of the little details that we're talking about is we try to stay away from spray foam on an old house. We don't want to come in and spray the backside of a 3-wide brick wall and stop the way that thermal moves, the air moves, where your dew point is. We really don't want to affect the way that wall lives. And you have to understand where's the heat, where's the cold, where's the moisture, where's the condensation, and understand how that works, how that lives, moves, breathes. When they were building houses, they built the house in a way that could withstand the test of time because it mattered to them. It was about their family, and it wasn't just about that current family. It was about generations to come. They were building these houses with a thought in mind for their great-grandchildren to live in them. And so bringing back that mentality and that thought process into our new builds and our restorations is huge, and we don't look at them any different.